Let's take a look at this expression. Very often happens that after simplification of the Boolean expression, you obtain a figure like this. And you cannot factorize anything. And basically, many students get confused why this expression is called exclusive OR. Let me show you how it works. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to implement this expression. We have nothing else, just 2 AND gates and 1 OR gate and 2 inverters. So let's take a look what I'm going to do. I have AND gate and I have A with inverter and I have B. So this is A, B. Second AND gate goes with A and B not. Both of them are ORed together. Okay. Now, next what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to find the truth table of this circuit. So I have A, B, and this is my output X. I'm going to call my output X. Now, because I have 2 inputs, I have input A, B, I'm going to have 4 combinations. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Let's take a look what will happen if I'm going to apply 0, 0 to these 2 inputs. 0 and 0 will give me 1 over here and 0 over here. 0, 1 will give me 0. 0, 0 over here is going to give me 0 and 1 over here. 0 and 1 for AND gate will give me 0. 0 and 0 to OR gate will give me 0. Okay? Let's apply 0 to A and 1 to B. That's why I'm going to apply 1 over here and 1 over here. So this one is going to go over here. 1 and 1 will give me 1. 0 and 1. 0. This 1 is going to be converted to 0. 0 and 0 gives me 0. 1 or 0, because this is OR gate. 1 or 0 will give me 1. That's why I'm going to write 1 over here. Let's apply 1 to A and 0 to B. That's why I'm going to write 1 over here and 0 over here. This 1 will be converted to 0. This 0 will go to my AND gate. 0 and 0 gives me 0. A has to be 1. That's why I'm going to change this to 1. B has to be 0. This 1 will go to my AND gate, and this 0 will be inverted to 1. 1 and 1 gives me 1. 0 or 1 gives me 1. Now we have to apply 1 to A and 1 to B. That's why I'm going to apply over here. 1 and 1 goes over here. 1 is going to be inverted and I'm going to get 0. This 1 will go to the gate. 0 and 1 will give me 0. Now we have 1 and 1. So if 1, B is going to be converted to 0. 1 and 0 gives me 0. 0 or 0 will give me 0. Now, So what we're supposed to do next, we have to just compare this truth table with the truth table of the exclusive OR. Remember, XOR gate, okay, looks like this. This is exclusive OR gate, and this is input A and this is input B. The truth table, you have to remember, is this is my output X, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and truth table is 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is why I say that this expression is nothing else, just exclusive OR, right? So I'm supposed to say that A not B or A B not is equivalent to A exclusive OR B. Why? Because this circuit and this one have exactly the same truth tables.